Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to discuss the next question of our agriculture optional answer writing practice series. And today's question is, give an account of bulk method of breeding and discuss its merits and demerits. So this question was asked in previous year paper of UPSC CSE agriculture optional paper, that is in 2024. So we will see how we can approach this answer. Okay, so first of all, we will see what bulk method of breeding is. So it is a breeding method in a plant, or you can say it is a breeding it is a method of breeding in plant in which growing on harvesting of generation of plants in bulk are involved, in which growing and harvesting generations of plant, not one two generations, up to five generations, many times generations of plants, which growing and harvesting generation of plants is involved, or you can say plants in harvesting generations of plants in bulk is involved. And when we consider generations, it considers from F2 to F type F5. Till F5 we keep bulking, keep harvesting various plants, keep harvesting and keep bulking, then we get the desired plants. And here then we selecting individual plants for evaluation. Individual plants for evaluation. So this is what bulk breeding it. It is generally done in inbred species of inbred species such as cereals, legumes, wild seeds, cereals, legumes, wild seeds, and a very common and popular example of wild seed is there, that is in brown mustard. This brown mustard is developed by the help of bulk breeding. So this is what bulk breeding is. We will also see how it works. How we do bulk breeding. So by definition, we understood that we are bulking several generations. We are harvesting in bulk for several generations. So first of all, here we will do hybridization, or you can say we will select the plants with hybrid vigor, which is also known as heterosis sometimes. That is, we will select desirable parents. Here, desirable parents are selected. Then those desirable parents are bulk harvested. Okay, so this is will be the F1 generation. Then again, the harvested plants of F1 generation are again done bulk planting. Then again they are bulk harvested. So this will produce F2 generations, and this is repeated consequently. Generally, it is repeated till F5 generations. Okay. So what this bulking will do, and in every generation we will, after this bulking, we will select and evaluate the plants. Select and evaluate plant. This is the next process. And here we will take out the superior plants. So what happens, due to this bulking, there are various natural selections happening in this plant. Okay, and after their bulking for generations, after 5-6 generations, you will get some superior plants with good qualities. Okay, so this is how bulk breeding works. So I hope you understand this bulk method of breeding. So this was the first part of the question. Now moving to the second part of the question, it is asking us about discuss its merits and demerits. So first of all, we will discuss its merits. Merits of bulk method of breeding. First of all, it is simple, convenient, and less expensive. Simple, convenient, less expensive. We do not have to maintain too much of technology and other things. Simply, we have to harvest the plants in bulk generation after generation. Second, very important merit is natural selection. So what natural selection does is deletes the undesirable traits. It deletes undesirable traits. Un, sorry, it deletes undesirable traits. So what happens here? We are bulking generation after generation. So what plants will do? There will be natural selection. The superior plants will be selected by nature for the next generation. We all know what natural selection is. So due to this natural selection, the undesirable traits of a plant after time after generation, the undesirable plants will be deleted, and that is why we get the superior varieties after so much generations. So this is why natural selection is very important here. Here here the of obtaining chance of obtaining transgressive segregates are more transcritic segregates are more than pedigree method are more than pedigree method. The amount of transgressive segregates obtained here are more than pedigree method due to bulking. Next, you will see that there is no chance of gene elimination. No chance of gene elimination. Secondly, here the progeny selection gives better variety. Progeny selection gives better variety. Here we don't have to maintain any pedigree record. No need to maintain pedigree record, which we need to maintain in pedigree method. There are other benefits also. Here you will see that there is isolation of homozygous lines. Isolation of homozygous lines, because obviously bulking is done and variously self pollination is done here. So obviously homozygous lines will be isolated here. So these are the some of the merits of bulk breeding. Now we'll see some of the demerits. What are the demerits of bulk method of breeding? First of all, as we have to do harvesting for generations, bulking for generations, so it will take a longer time to develop new variety. Secondly, due to short term bulking, natural selection is little effective. Short term bulking, sometimes due to short term bulking, the natural selection is not that effective, or you can say natural selection is little effective only. Next, here large number of progenies have to be selected at the end of bulking. Large number of progenies needs to be selected, so that makes our work very tiresome and very laborious. Next, there is chance of natural selection acting against superior traits. This is sometimes only. Sometimes natural selection can act against superior traits. Can act against superior traits. This could be problem. Sometimes they can carry forward inferior material. They can carry inferior material. Here there is fewer field evaluations. Fewer field evaluations, which can sometimes cause loss of natural selection. Okay, sometimes, as we have discussed here, that this sometimes natural selection can also act against superior traits, and we will not able to evaluate it because the field evaluations are generally fewer in bulk method. Few field evaluations in bulk method. So these are some of the demerits of bulk method of breeding. So we have discussed bulk method, we have discussed merits, we have discussed demerits. Now you can write a conclusion here also. You can write about how advantage bulk breeding could be in our current scenario, or how can we improve the bulk breeding method. So this could be some kind of conclusion as per you. You can write it. That I give you the leverage to write as per you. So this was all for today's answer. I hope you understood all the parts of the question. So if you like it, please press the like button. Please do share, and please do subscribe. It takes a lot of hard work to make such videos for you on a regular basis. And if you like, if you share, if you subscribe, it motivates us to make more such videos for you regularly. So that is all for today. Have a nice day. Thank you.